I make video clips of lightning bolts and put it on YouTube.
Yeah. The sound of the rain is nice too.
Nemo, come here. Nemo. Hey, come here. Hey, tell me, what time did you guys get in on Saturday? Because I was at the airport waiting for you guys, and I was in the impression you guys were coming in the morning. And I was like,
We did get there in the morning.
because I was only wondering because I was getting ready to follow you guys up here.
Yeah.
And then when I got up here, you guys weren't here, so I assumed you guys haven't arrived yet.
Well, we stopped and we got groceries. We got here maybe around noon.
Ah, okay. Yeah, because when I drove up, I saw a car driving out. That looked like the one that you have, and I was like, is that them? It can't be, so I just kept on going up, because I was up, came up here to check on Nemo and, you know, and stuff like that. And then when I noticed you guys weren't here anymore, I was like, don't tell me they're still in the air. Flying.
Yeah, I guess we must have gotten out of the airport by about 9:30.
Because I was there at 7 in the morning.
Yeah, that would have been too early.
I was, no, you guys, what time did you guys plane land?
Around 9.
I was there way before that. I was at the cell phone viewing place, watching the airplanes coming and going, and I was like, okay. And there's a lot of Southwest Airlines here. Which one is theirs? Hello. Because I called Jim on his cell phone and he didn't answer, so I was just kind of curious, you know, because there were so many of them coming in. I was not sure which one was yours.
Yeah. Well, hopefully this will be a gentler rain than we had before.
I hear it's supposed to be pretty. There's supposed to be a storm tonight, but it's not supposed to be as bad. So, see, it's the driving up that worries me, not the driving out.
Yeah.
Because as we all know, driving out is easier than coming in. So, tell me, what time are you guys leaving on Friday?
We'll have to leave here around 1.
Alright, because the reason I'm asking is because I have to get up around like 8, 9, and I just wanted to let you guys know that if I'm not here, that means I'm going to work and stuff, and I'm going to come back up here on Thursday, probably Thursday, either Wednesday or Thursday, I'll be back up here, and I'm going to check on the water on both tanks with Jim. When are you guys coming out here again? For Thanksgiving?
Not till Thanksgiving.
Which is coming soon.